5.0 and our allies are coming together with the formation of the new Sarkar. Now, after a series of meetings in the national capital as well as the state capital of Patna, it appears that the NDA has now locked its formula for the distribution of cabinet berths in the Nitish Sarkar. Now, sources said that the BJP is set on getting 2 deputy chief ministers' berths once again, while the assembly speaker post will also go to the BJP. Now, a series of meetings are lined up today as well before the oath-taking ceremony that is expected to happen tomorrow. But let's tell you exactly what is now expected today to happen. As far as back-to-back meetings that are being planned, the stage is set now for Nitish 5.0 Sarkar. Union Home Minister Amit Shah to arrive in Patna. As far as what is being said, that the meeting of the BJP Legislative Party is expected to happen around 10 a.m. where the BJP leaders and the MLAs, the newly appointed MLAs, will be choosing the Legislative Party leader. Then there is a meeting of the JDU Legislative Party meeting that is also planned. That will happen around 11 a.m. And it is likely that Nitish Kumar is going to be named as the Legislative Party leader. Later, NDA allies will be picking up the leader of the alliance as well. And then Nitish Kumar is expected to visit Raj Bhavan. That is the protocol. As far as the end of the assembly session of his previous Sarkar comes to an end, he will tender his resignation to the governor, and then we'll talk about that he has enough numbers to form the next government in the state of Bihar. And that is exactly what is going to happen, because it is in iconic Gandhi Maidan that we're looking at. Mohit, good morning. Preparations are on in full swing. But as far as when it comes to all of that being done, finalization of all of the plans, that is also likely expected today to happen.
Well, yes, Amita, today is a big day that all the nitty-gritties and all the preparations will be done for tomorrow's big day, that is the oath-taking ceremony. Now, as per the protocol, there is a legislative party meeting of the BJP which will take place at 10 a.m. The observers which have been appointed by the BJP, that is Keshav Prasad Maurya, and the co-observers Arjun Meghwal and Sadhvi Ranjan Jyoti will be reaching the BJP office. And in that particular meeting, the leader of the BJP legislative party will be announced. Now, post that, there is a legislative party meeting of JDU as well, in which Nitish Kumar will be announced as their legislative party leader. Now, after that, the leader of NDA will be chosen, and support of all the NDA partners like BJP, RLSP, and Hindustani Awami Morcha and LJP would be, the support letter would be given to Nitish Kumar. That support letter will be taken to the governor's house, and then Nitish Kumar will tender his resignation and show the support of the MLAs, and post that tomorrow in a grand oath-taking ceremony where Prime Minister and all the, in all likelihood, many of the chief ministers of BJP NDA rule state will be present. Nitish Kumar is likely to take oath as the chief minister.
Because it is still not clear that along with Nitish Kumar, who all would be the individuals who would be taking oath with him, but it is being said that there would be at least 2 deputy chief ministers, and remains to be seen who will get the chance to be a part of the Nitish Sarkar cabinet. Well, Mohit, thank you for that update. But when we speak of the NDA, which is now zeroed in on a few probables who could be named as the ministers in the new Sarkar. Now, sources suggest that leaders like Samrat Chaudhary, Ramkripal Yadav could figure in that list of ministers. Let's tell you exactly when it comes to the names of the probables that are now expected to make the cut, the NDA Mantri probables. Well, of course, as far as the BJP camp is concerned, Samrat Chaudhary there, Ramkripal Yadav, Nitil Nabin, Mangal Pandey, Hari Sahani are said to be the probables who could be part of the BJP representing their side as far as in the Nitish cabinet. From the JDO side, we are looking at top leaders like Vijay Chaudhary, Vijendra Prasad Yadav, Shravan Kumar, Ashok Chaudhary and Leshi Singh could be other probables as far as the cabinet formation is concerned. There is, of course, representation coming in from the LJP as well on their stupendous strike rate and performance. So let's take a look as far as the LJP probables are concerned. Raju Tiwari, Sanjay Paswan, Rajiv Ranjan Singh, Snehlata Kushwaha and Santosh Suman could be the names that could figure in the new cabinet. There is other leaders and coalition and other parties as well who form the NDA. There could be a representation coming in from the RLM and also from the HAM as far as when it comes to sources suggesting that this could be finally when it comes to Nitish Sarkar's new cabinet that could be taking shape when Nitish Kumar, who is expected to once again take oath as the next chief minister of Bihar tomorrow. Now, in the meantime, speaking of Bihar, there seems to be, after this very embarrassing defeat that has now happened of this party that made its political debut